everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with I, J and K. So let's get started. Let's discuss our first phrasal verb, that is idle away. Idle away means to waste time doing nothing much. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here he always idles away his hours by watching television. It means that he always wastes his time doing nothing by watching television. I hope the meaning is clear. Let's move towards our second phrasal verb, that is iron out. Iron out means to resolve by discussion, eliminate differences, etc. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here the meeting will be an opportunity to iron out difficulties. Here it means that the meeting will be an opportunity to resolve or eliminate differences by discussion. I hope the use of this phrasal verb is clear. Now let's move forward. Our third phrasal verb is improve on or improve upon, which means to make better. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here the runner was trained enough to improve on his previous performance, which means that the runner was trained in enough way to make better performance as compared to the previous one. So here improve on or upon means to make better something or to achieve in better way through training enough or through effective hard work. Let's move forward. Our fourth phrasal verb is indulge in. Indulge in means to allow yourself to enjoy something. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here the kid left the food and indulged himself in a desert, which means that the kid left the food and after watching the desert he allowed himself to enjoy it. So let's move forward. Let's discuss our fifth phrasal verb, which is invite out. Invite out means to ask someone to join you for lunch or dinner, etc. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here Harry invited his friends out for dinner. It means that Harry asked his friend for dinner. Now let's move forward. Our sixth phrasal verb is jot down. Jot down means to take quick notes. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here I jotted down the address while watching a documentary on television. Here jotted down means to take quick notes. I hope the meaning is clear. Let's move forward. Let's discuss our seventh phrasal verb, that is join in. Join in means to participate in something. Let's observe its use in sentence construction. Here they could not force her to join the game as she was too shy. Now the use of join in is clear now that the authority was unable to force her to participate in the game due to her shyness. Now let's move forward towards our eighth phrasal verb, that is join up. Join up means to engage in or becoming a member of something. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here John was in college and Tom joined up as soon as he finished the school, which means that John was already in college and Tom engaged him or became a member of the same college as soon as he finished the school. I hope the meaning is clear. Let's move forward. Join up has second meaning as well, which means to meet and unite with. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here the two groups of tourists joined up at the hotel. Here joined up is used in the meaning of meeting and uniting. Let's move forward. Our eighth phrasal verb is keep on. Keep on means to continue doing something. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here the teacher told the children to be quiet but they kept on making noise, which means that the teacher ordered the children to be quiet but they continued to make noise. Now let's move forward towards our 10th phrasal verb, that is keep up with. Keep up with means to stay at the same level as someone or something. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here Ben walked so fast that it was difficult to keep up with him. It means that Ben walked so fast that the other person was feeling difficulty in staying at the same level as him. Let's discuss our 11th phrasal verb, that is kneel down. Kneel down means to go down on your knees. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here most people kneel down to pray, which means that Most people go down on their knees while praying. Observe the 12th phrasal verb here, kick off. Kick off means to begin or start. Observe its use in sentence construction here. The football match is planned to kick off at 3 p.m., which means that the football match is planned to start or begin at 3 p.m. Now let's discuss the 13th phrasal verb here, which is know of. Know of means to have heard of or have knowledge about something. Observe its use in sentence construction here. Do you know of anyone else attending the meeting? Which means that the speaker is asking the other person if he knows or if he know of anyone or if he have heard of or have knowledge of anyone else attending the meeting. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.